Welcome online learning by teacher Joshua. Today we are going to see unit number 1, which is called mechanical and blacksmith tools. Lesson 2, blacksmith tools. Let's see. Blacksmiths are people who make or repair tools made of iron by hand. They heat metals until red hot, then they beat them with a blacksmith hammer into desired shape. Here, this person uses his hands to make the shape from a metal, which is called red hot, by using hammer. So now we are going to observe the following tools used by blacksmith and try to say their users. So as you see here, these are some of blacksmith tools. Be ready, we are going to see their names and how it uses. Let's go. Tool number 1 is blacksmith hammer. As you see here, blacksmith hammer, they have the different shapes, so it is used for transforming red hot into the given tools or the desired tools from that red hot metals. So it is used for heating metals to give a desired shape. So as you see here, it transforms the red hot metal into desired shape. Number 2, envy. It has this forms. It used or it is a place where we put red hot and beating with blacksmith hammer by transforming the materials we need from the red hot metals. So as you see only here. So this envy, it helps in shaping metals. So because it is where metals shaping on it. So this is the role of envies. Number 3 is bellow. Bellow, as you see here, so it is the tools which is used for blowing air into fire or a furnace of a blacksmith. Means that when blacksmith want to blow air into fire, he uses these bellows because it is used for blowing air into fire or a furnace. Number 4, tongs. Tongs, it has the different forms or shapes according to its uses, but it is used for holding red hot metals from a furnace while the blacksmith beating on this envy. So because he can't touch on her hands, but he uses the tongs for touching or holding it. The following is pincers. As you see, it is used for cutting protruding metals or the unwanted parts of metals to the desired shape. This is what you call a furnace, is where the fire is of end of the lesson. It is time for homework, so take notebook and try to do it after. Question number 1, who is blacksmith? Number 2, does blacksmith use open-ended spanner to hold hot metals? Number 3, name some tools used at home made by blacksmith. So here you have to list any 5. Number 4, give the uses of the following. envy, bellows, pincers. So thank you very much. Write this homework, and in the coming lesson we will see their answers. Thank you very much.